Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will write a QR code generator in Python. So we need a PyQR code library. We are going to install it on our terminal by typing in pip install, and we need a library PyQR code. So we are going to type PyQR code and hit enter. Now we have this one installed. We need PyPNG to save our QR code as a PNG file. So we are going to install that library too. So we can type in pip install PyPNG and hit enter. We are done installing that too. And first we are going to import PyQR code. So this will be import PyQR code. And then we are going to import PNG. And from PyQR code, we are going to import QR code. And we will have some tags, or you can prompt the user to input some tags. So this way. Please enter the text to convert. And this will be our text. And then we can ask for QR code PNG file name. I'm just going to copy this. Please enter the name. Please enter the image name. And we are going to save it. Image. And we are going to add a extension of PNG to the image name. So this will be image. And now we are going to create a QR code. PyQR code dot create. And the text we are going to pass in. Then we are going to save QR code as a PNG file. just run the code and please enter the text to convert. It's gonna give hello and enter the name, image name. So I'm just gonna name it test. And it will also try to show the image in a browser. So I will just go to the directory one. And over here, uh, we get we can see the QR code for our text. This one is created for us. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.